This is September 3rd and we just had our Labor Day weekend. And I'm showing you what I have to take to the post office this week. Well, not this week, today. These are all the stuff that are going out. I have a couple more that I have to print out and package. But this is the stuff I'm gonna show you guys later on in this video, the items that did sell this weekend. It's about, I believe, you know what? I lost the number. I think it was 12 or 13 orders, or maybe more, maybe like 16. But yeah, my little guy right here. Buddy, you ready to go to the post office? Hmm? We gotta change. We're still in our PJs, buddy. Hmm? Can I get a high five?
I'm gonna go Tesco's.
You gonna help Daddy with the packages? Okay, awesome. I counted just now and there was about 6 turkeys walking around my side yard. Right now I'm just hanging out, making this video short. It's just pretty much like a day in the life of what I do. I just showed you my packages that I'm shipping out this afternoon. I have a couple more. The packages that you saw there, that was pretty much for Sundays and Monday. Today's Tuesday, September 3rd. And I have about 3 more orders to ship out and then have it all together and drop it off at my local post office around 4:30 when I pick up my older boy from school, from the school bus. And yeah, it's pretty much it. I am enjoying this nice, cool weather. It's not hot, it's not cold, it's just relaxing, it's quiet. My youngest boy, he's taking a nap now. I just wanna make this video short, talking about how eBay, Amazon, the commerce is going. My contract business, as some of you already know, some of you guys who are just joining in, I make an income selling on eBay. I make an income selling on Amazon, which is pretty much FBA, fulfillment by Amazon. And then I have a contract business where I work for my former employers that I had gave my 3-week notice about 2 years now coming, and about 10 days, 12 days before I was leaving the company, they gave me a contract business. Well, they offered a contract business and they gave me a price. I countered back with a double the asking price, and I could have asked for more, but that's gonna be another video coming in probably the end of this year, because I just want to gather all the information from beginning to end, working for a company for 17 years, doing what I'm actually doing now, but for myself. I'm here in my backyard. It's very quiet. I'm enjoying this. I rarely come to my backyard, but I'm seeing there's a good angle, because there you go. I like what I do. Well, no, I'm not gonna say I like. I love what I do. I love working for myself. I hated working for an employee, for a company that pretty much was controlling my income. If I wanted more, I had to show proof. I had to negotiate. I had to make compromises to make certain goals, to make certain amount that I deserved. Now that I let go of that company for 2 years, and now knowing what I learned from them and doing it for myself, I just wish I'd done this years prior. I used to commute 6 hours a day, 3 hours in the morning to New York, and then 3 hours back in Pennsylvania. This is where I reside. I love my home. I love the quietness. I love the office. I just love the space that I have here, that I can work from home. The business is growing from what it was last year, where I am now. I'm enjoying this. I'm very grateful. All I can do now is just grow and make more income. But you have to keep in mind, I don't have sick days, I don't have vacation days. So you always got to keep that in mind. When you work for yourself, you're pretty much clocking yourself. You're pretty much making your own income, and you got to understand that if you don't want to work one certain day, you don't want to do any listings, you don't want to make any calls to suppliers, manufacturers, try to negotiate a deal, then that's pretty much income that you're losing. So you always have to be on point. That's pretty much what I have right now. Just want to make a video out here in the yard because I saw turkeys. I saw about at least 6 to maybe 7 turkeys just roaming around, and that was just today. About a couple of days ago, about 4 or 5 days ago, I saw about 7 or 8 of them. But I saw them through my through the ring, the camera that's on my yard. So if anything triggers any movement, the camera triggers and it records on my phone to tell me there's an intruder or some type of movement. And it was about 6 in the morning. No, a little earlier than close to 7 in the morning. And I looked at it and it was about 8 of them just chilling on my driveway. And that's when I knew that something's going on around here. I'm trying to put 2 together. I saw Easter eggs. I saw turkey eggs, and days prior of that, and now I'm seeing all these turkeys. So I'm pretty sure that around my yard, there's turkey eggs. Mason, time to wake up, buddy. Time to wake up, buddy. We have to go to the post office. Yes, we're gonna go to the park, but first we gotta go to the post office. We're gonna go see Matthew, and then we're gonna go to the post office.